In the heart of the enchanting Bicol region, Bicol University stands as a testament to the pursuit of knowledge and excellence. Maugmang pagbati, ito ang Bicol University, ang ilaw ng kaalaman sa puso ng Bicolandia. Founded on June 21, 1969, Bicol University has been a beacon of hope and opportunity for countless individuals seeking to fulfill their dreams through education. Within the bustling campus of Bicol University lies the esteemed College of Science, a bastion of scientific inquiry and discovery. With a legacy spanning over 5 decades, the College of Science continues to uphold the university's commitment to academic excellence and community service. Sa loob ng kanyang malawak na campus, isa sa makikita mo ang Computer Science Department. The Department of Science, a place where dreams come true. If your dreams involve endless lines of codes and debugging sessions at 3 a.m. So, tara! Bakit nga ba Bachelor of Science in Computer Science? Well, unang-una, ang sleep ay overrated lalo na't mahilig pa naman ako sa kape. Tapos, sino ba naman ang ayaw gumugol ng oras nila araw-araw sa pag-aaral ng mga algorithm at data structures, di ba? But it's not all solitary coding and energy drinks. Sometimes we even socialize. Usually when we need to team up to figure out why our programs keep crashing. And let's always remember our professors who take joy in assigning projects that makes us question our life choices. But don't worry. They assure us it's all part of the learning process. ChatGPT? Sino ang nangangailangan yan kung ikaw ay isang computer science student? Oh, look at that. ChatGPT appeared. But we're too cool for that, right? Well, we all have our little secrets, don't we? Kailangan yan para makasurvive. Our primary goal as a student is to survive, of course, and maybe, just maybe, create something amazing along the way. Well, it's not all work, by the way. We also have events, activities, and programs that remind us that there's life outside of coding. Sometimes. So that's a sneak peek into our world. It's chaotic, it's challenging, and filled with more syntax errors than we'd like to admit. But at the end of the day, we wouldn't have it any other way. Welcome to Bicol University Computer Science Department.